Hi, welcome to Food Freaker's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you one of the ways you can make a flavorful, juicy, roasted chicken in the oven. Cut out any unwanted stuffs from your chicken. And by the way, this is 2 kilograms of chicken. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil and melt in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Share and chop about a 1/4 cup of parsley, Ready to make the marinade. To the butter, add 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add the chopped parsley and finally, the juice of a whole lemon. Don't throw the flesh, save it for later use. Stir and mix that up. With a spoon or a flat spatula, carefully make a pocket between the skin and the flesh of the chicken, as you can see. Be gentle so it does not tear. Scoop some of the marinade into the pocket and massage to spread out nicely. Try as much as you can to make sure the marinade covers every part of the chicken. Stuff that lemon flesh into the cavity. Cover the chicken and let it marinate for about 2 to 48 hours. If you're letting your chicken to marinate for more than 5 hours, make sure it sits in the refrigerator. So I marinated this for 48 hours and it's been out of the fridge for 5 hours. It needs to be at room temperature before roasting. Gently smash the cloves of a whole garlic and roughly peel off the fallen skin. Along with the lemon flesh, I'll be stuffing the cavity with garlic, ginger, onion, and 2 small bundles of thyme sprigs. Quarter the onion and stuff the cavity of the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil to help all those aromatics in there to release their flavors. Using a kitchen twine, tie the legs of the chicken so it does not run away from the oven. Just kidding. It helps to make the chicken cook evenly and beautifully. I will slightly grease my dish. I do not recommend this kind of dish for roasting chicken. Something with handle will be more convenient. Place the chicken into the dish, snug the chicken wings behind like this, and add the remaining ingredient that couldn't go into the cavity. Slightly cover the top with a foil to prevent the chicken from browning before time. Please do not seal it or you will end up with a braised chicken. Cook chicken for 80 minutes. Remove the foil. Baste the chicken and cook for another 25 minutes uncovered to brown and crisp the top. Voila! It's done! Empty the cavity. Transfer chicken into a tray. Stay with me, I will quickly show you how you can make a quickie gravy for the chicken. It shouldn't go to waste. Transfer into a saucepan and rinse the dish with about 2 cups of water. Pour that in and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. Make a slurry with 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix properly and add that to the pot. Season with chicken stock cube, salt to taste, and a teaspoon of honey. Add some parsley and simmer for another 5 minutes. When ready, strain into a serving dish. Top with some more parsley. Now let's take a look inside of our chicken. Oh, I'll say it's super juicy. In the breast, juicy and tender. I like to serve my chicken whole, or you could just cut it up and serve. And that's all. Bye for now.